doing, everybody? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bedlam's Outdoors. Today I'm going to be joining my buddy Duane. He invited me out on the boat today, so we're going to hit the river and do some walleye fishing. So stay tuned and hopefully we can get on them, and just wish us luck. Video coming. This time this year I've had a long rod in my hand. What's that? I don't see anybody.
Fish. Fish.
You got a fish? Ah. I will definitely grab the net. Heck yeah. That is a keeper.
There you go, buddy.
Hi, what you got your set up with? Alright, basically the same thing I'm running. Cool.
Yeah, baby.
Nice. Look at you go.
This is my river.
It is your river.
What everybody always says, this is my river. And I'm gonna sing it.
You did. You must be fishing on the wrong side of the boat.
I have some about color too.
What are you using?
Purple with black and gold.
Yeah, me too. Up by them boats? Yeah.
That's where I got my fish. I want some catch too. 3.
Yep, fish. Finally. Oh. It's just a little one. Where'd he go? Just right there. Just a little one. Jeez. Nope. Nope. He's 14. I even had him on there. Yeah. Almost felt like I was trying to pull my stuff up on the side of a rock, you know? Just the way he hit it.
Are you under the boat?
No, I'm right there. I'm right in front.
Okay.
Dude, I seen him.
Keep the net out of the water till the fish is up.
Sorry.
Otherwise, you see the net. This one?
About like the other one.
Okay. Yeah.
Must be some soft bottom. I'm having a hard time feeling it.
Green. I'm still working.
Ah, come on, man, really? Just tied that on. Got fish?
Oh, damn it.
I didn't do it.
Right. Whatever, it's running.
Really?
Get the fish. Come on. I wonder if they want to come up good. That was something come from the mouth.
Yep.
Messed it up.
Woo. You're gonna have to hold that one up. Oh yeah, nice one there.
Nice male.
There we go. Yep. Yep. It's a nice one. All right. It's about time. Jeez almighty, man.
Good job, buddy.
Was able to save that. I snagged.
You want, and then we get
fish. I got you. I got you. Oh, are you kidding? Got hung up on the cleat.
limit.
You got a limit.
I got my limit.
Just catching all the fish.
I'm sorry.
No, you're not. How old is your granddaughter today?
What's that?
How old is your granddaughter today? 7?
It's 7.
Woo! Lucky 7. That's why you're catching all the fish. Get the fish. Yep, thought it was a snag. Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, yeah, man.
I'm trying to pull it this way without. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, getting a picture of them right now.